Hello, so this is a quick update on the game engine. 3 new things came in, um, 1 yesterday, 2 today. So now we have right-click menus, context menus on things. There's just an overlay like all the other overlays. The second thing is reference viewer. If you right-click on an object and say find references, you'll see that it finds everything that references this object. For example, this long rock solid 30 matte material references it. So if I took this material and put it on an object, it has that texture. So if I look at the material, there's no references. So if I want, I'll create a rock here, put that on there, and then we'll save this stage as main. And now if we come over here to the material and say find references, you'll see the main stage has an entity called long rock solid 30, and this material is underneath that, so it's attached to that. And if we were to make another rock and put it on there, save our stage, and then find the references, you'll see that both of them are in there now. There's the main stage, and then here's one, and here's the other. So you can also reference content inside of code itself. So let's say I wanted to reference this texture inside of code. Right now, if I say find references, it's going to say that it's on that material, but it's also on the main stage on this entity. There's a texture on that entity attached to this entity. So we have all of these kind of references here for this texture, but if I wanted to reference it in code, I can right-click, say copy the ID to the clipboard, and then we'll go into our code project. Let's just say we're down here inside of our source code. I'll just make a file something.go. Let's say that we're in here and we say const, let's say rock texture is equal to that content ID. If I save that and then we go back to here and we right click and we say find references, you'll see that something.go has picked up. Now it'll pick up if you don't want to use Go files for these. It'll also pick up that reference if it's inside of, say, a text file. Say that you want to load in content.txt. Then we'll say raw. Oh, I don't know. This could be an ini. Could be anything. We'll call this a section. Rock texture equals that, and then same kind of deal. If we come back here and find the references, you'll see that our content ini pops up there. So this allows you to know everywhere that your content's used. This is a scroll list, so you'll be able to scroll through it. I can make this look a little more prettier in the future, but references work, which means that we're now at the stage where we can eliminate content that's not used at all in either the source code or referenced by any objects. And this includes whenever you create a template, these things. I haven't tested this yet, but they should show up. Yeah. So now you can see that we have a template somewhere in here. It's probably not nicely named. Here it is. This is the template. It's called a stage. I got to fix that so it says template instead of stage. It's a copy and paste problem. But basically all the references should be in here, and that opens us up to do reference graphs and stuff like that. So quick update. I didn't even tell you the third thing. You make templates. If you're in the Discord, you've already known this. But I just made a template of this rock. In fact, let's just stick this rock underneath that rock, and let's turn that into a template. Yes, I want to overwrite. And then if I drag in this, you'll see it has templates now. These are basically prefabs or blueprints if you're used to that lingo. But I can say move that guy, update the template. Do you want to override template? Yes, they'll all update. So we've got these templates, which are prefabs or blueprints or whatever you want to call them. We call them templates here. And we've got now the reference viewer and all that. So let me know if you have any feedback. Come join us on Discord. Follow me on X. I post all these micro updates up on there too. So thanks for watching. See you guys later.